Hello and welcome. Today we're going to cover the subject of how a cloud ERP automates and simplifies your business. My name is Cole Robbins and I am the New Business Development Manager here at CBOS. As the New Business Development Manager, I work on bridging the gap between sales and product development. The topics that we're going to cover today include what is an ERP, the areas of your business an ERP impacts, the impact of the cloud on your business, top ways cloud ERPs can automate your business, as well as a summary review. So what is an ERP? Enterprise Resource Planning is defined as the ability to deliver an integrated suite of business applications that include distribution, manufacturing, finance and accounting, sales and customer service, HR, and managing the supply chain. ERP applications automate and support a range of administrative and operational business processes across many aspects of an enterprise. An ERP can positively impact your business in many ways, but the biggest impact will be the visibility of data across all business units. By tying every unit together, each unit is afforded critical information that in the past has been difficult to access and understand. What the cloud has done for technology is allowed for providers like CBOS to lower the cost of ERP solutions, as well as streamline our implementation process. This leads to a faster and easier adoption of our solution, as well as brings easy scalability across multiple functions and locations of your business. Ultimately, the cloud helps you automate processes and remove barriers to growth for your business. So today we're going to explore a couple of ways that an ERP can automate and simplify your business and your business processes. So we're going to talk about reporting and analytics. We're going to cover the mobility and information access an ERP can give you, web integration, your business workflows, and automating your daily operations. So first we're going to cover reporting and analytics. Real-time information allows managers to easily create and modify reports to present information on KPIs on a weekly, monthly, and quarterly basis. User-friendly reporting tools allows you to present information that is relevant and easy to comprehend. Finance and operations teams can dive deep into sales and financial reports to assess the health of the business and identify areas of improvement. Business intelligence tools allow C-level executives to forecast projections that drive future decisions. Ultimately, easy-to-use reporting tools and dashboards give users the ability to present vital information to relevant stakeholders, identify areas of improvement in the business, and make projections that influence future decisions of the company. The second area that an ERP can simplify and automate your business is through mobility and access to information. Whether sales reps need to process orders in the field or the CFO needs to pull an income statement, employees can access information on the go via laptops, tablets, or smartphones. Field reps can save time by managing orders and accepting payments in the field instead of having to manually connect with team dispatchers. C-level executives have access to key information such as financial statements for decision makings even when they are traveling. The main takeaway from this is that remote access allows employees to perform tasks with greater flexibility, which will save you time and improve your efficiency as a result. Next, we'll review web integrations and how they help streamline, automate, and simplify your business. A web integration allows businesses to utilize a multi-channel sales strategy and enter into previously untapped verticals and markets. This integration provides the ability to sell through different channels, such as the company's website and/or marketplaces like Amazon and eBay. It also allows you to address B2B customers. A B2B self-service customer portal allows for greater flexibility by letting your customers view available inventory, place orders, and pay open invoices all through a secure portal. Web integration is really about the ability to expand sales channels. Workflows within an ERP are rules within the solution designed to automate and streamline operational processes within your business. The first way our workflow can benefit your business is to save time and close more deals to increase profitability. We do this by utilizing a streamlined process to convert quotes into sales orders with a click of a button. Within an ERP, your entire sales process is tied together from creating a quote all the way to receiving payments on an open invoice. Streamlined workflows also help establish strong relationships with suppliers and vendors by staying on top of accounts payable. Within inventory management, workflows can set automatic reorder points for each item to maximize efficiency. This guarantees there's an adequate level of inventory to fulfill orders while simultaneously ensuring inventory isn't overstocked. One final example of a streamlined workflow is connecting payroll processing to the journal ledger. This eliminates the need to manually bring in data from an outside payroll processing company. This workflow saves time and energy by taking a redundant task and automating the entire process. The key point for using workflows within the ERP is that automating key day-to-day workflows ensures employees are maximizing their time and the business is operating efficiently. The last area of improvement we'll talk about today is how daily operations can be streamlined, automated, and simplified through the use of a cloud ERP. The first way that operations can be streamlined is better efficiency within inventory management practices that lead to lower levels of shrinkage. An ERP accounts for every move within the inventory management process to have greater visibility into where improvements can be made. Next, an ERP gives visibility into inventory tracking that allows for fewer number of days open cells sit unfulfilled. This leads to higher overall efficiency, such as less capital tied up in stocked inventory. Shorter collection turnarounds for accounts receivable leads to less uncollected invoices, allowing businesses to see a sharp decline in outstanding capital from unpaid invoices. This turnaround on accounts receivable allows for businesses to utilize those funds in other areas, such as hiring salespeople, investing in new equipment, etc. Lastly, scheduling jobs in advance allows field techs to maximize their time and therefore generate more revenue. The main takeaway from automating and simplifying daily operations and processes allows small and medium-sized businesses to utilize resources more efficiently and increase profitability. So what does this list of tasks that can be automated really mean for your business? First, you get streamlined processes which improve your customer experience. Automation also improves your internal operations, which enables your workforce, improves your cash flow, as well as increases your profitability. Thank you for taking a little bit of time out of your day to learn about how a cloud ERP can automate and simplify your business. I invite you to visit our website at cbos.com for additional educational information. If you're interested in seeing it for yourself, I invite you to schedule a free consultation or a custom demo with a product specialist by emailing us at solutions@cbos.com or giving us a call at the number below.